Imagine a chilly winter evening. The temperature's dropping, and the only thing that stands between you and the cold is your furnace. But what if the furnace decides to take a day off? It's not a pleasant thought, is it? Furnace issues are common, especially when you need them the most. But don't worry, we've got some expert advice that might help you troubleshoot your furnace before you make that call to a professional. First off, a furnace that's not heating could be due to a simple issue, the thermostat. Make sure the thermostat is on and set to heat. Also, check if the temperature setting is higher than the current room temperature. Sometimes it's as easy as adjusting the thermostat to bring back the cozy warmth. Next, HVAC Experts suggest checking the circuit breaker. If your furnace isn't turning on, it might be because of a tripped circuit breaker. Find the breaker box, locate the switch for the furnace, and ensure it's in the on position. If it's off, flip it back on. If it trips again, there might be a more serious electrical issue at hand. Now, if your furnace is running but not producing enough heat, the problem could be a dirty air filter. A clogged air filter restricts airflow, making your furnace work harder and still not provide enough heat. HVAC professionals recommend changing the air filter every 1 to 3 months, depending on the usage. A faulty pilot light could also be the culprit behind your furnace woes. If the pilot light is out, follow the instructions in the furnace manual to reignite it. But remember, if you smell gas, don't attempt to light the pilot. It's better to play safe and call a professional. Lastly, if you're hearing strange noises coming from your furnace, bangs, squeaks, or rattles, it's a sign that there's a mechanical issue, and it's time to call in the pros. Remember, while these tips can help you with minor furnace issues, they're not a substitute for professional help. If you've tried these steps and your furnace is still not working, or if you're not comfortable troubleshooting on your own, don't hesitate to call a professional at www.medinamechanical.com, phone 416-424-4328. HVAC professionals are trained to handle all kinds of furnace issues safely and effectively. They can diagnose the problem, provide the right solution, and give you peace of mind knowing your furnace is in good hands. So, the next time your furnace decides to take a break, don't panic. Try these troubleshooting tips. If they don't work, know that professional help is just a call away at 416 424 328. After all, a cozy, warm home is not just a comfort, it's a necessity. And you deserve